So this is the Particles Booklet question 1, and it's talking about a common type of smoke detector with a very small amount of americium-241, and we've got the nucleon number there and the proton number, and we're asked to determine the number of each type of nucleon in the americium-241. So in a nucleus we're going to have protons and we're going to have neutrons, and we can look at here, if we remember that the number at the bottom is the proton number, so that's 95. Number at the top is the nucleon number, the number of protons plus the number of protons, so I need to take that 241 from there and take away the number of protons to leave me with 146 neutrons. It's produced in nuclear reactors through the decay of plutonium. State the decay process responsible and explain your answer. So I've split this into two answers, the state what's going on and the explain. So we've got the americium, and I'll just pull that back in, that's 241.95. The plutonium it's going to become, it comes from, is 241.94. So we're not changing the nucleon number. The total number of nucleons doesn't change, but the number of protons goes up by 1. So that's beta minus decay. In beta minus decay, we get 1 neutron turning into a proton, so the total number of nucleons doesn't change, but of course we've got 1 extra proton. So how do we know that? Because either the nucleon number doesn't change, or because the proton number increases by 1. So that americium then decays into nuclide X by emitting an alpha particle. Write an equation for that decay. So 241.95 americium going to 243.93X. We don't know what that is. We could look it up, but we're not asked to. And 42 alpha. So where's that 243 come from? I've got the 241. I've got 4 there, leaving me 237 nucleons. I've got 95 there. I've got 92 in the alpha, leaving me with 93 protons. So nucleon number 237, proton number 93. The alpha radiation causes ionization of nitrogen-oxygen molecules in the smoke detector, and it's ionization which is detected as a part of how the smoke detector might work. Simply state what's meant by ionization. It's either the removal, in this case would be the removal of electrons from either an atom or a molecule. More generally, it's the removal or addition of electrons from or to an atom or molecule. Finally, a friend who's not studied physics suggests that smoke detectors containing radioactive material should not be sold. Use your knowledge of physics to explain why it's not a risk. It is only very small quantities, so the amount of radiation is very, very small. That radiation can only travel a few centimetres in air. And finally, that radiation, even if you got very close and it was reaching your hand, can't actually penetrate your skin. So that's essentially information you're meant to know about alpha particles. So that's the Particles Homework Booklet question 1.